I impulsively jumped in on an offer to swap ATCs, artist trading cards, and then I realized that I had no idea what to put on an ATC. So I decided to call upon two of the things that I love, one for the background, India ink spreading on wet paper, and another for the subject, octopus tentacles. I made a set of ATCs that I call Inky Tentacles, and if you might want to swap with me, let me know. I have about 10 left that I could swap. I was so excited to receive my first ATCs from Dee at Betsy Doodle. I'll show you what she sent at the end of this video. I've been having so much fun lately with YouTube videos. I've just hit the 6-month mark of putting out a video at least once a week. And I really appreciate those of you who have been watching, commenting, giving likes. It's really fun to put a video out there and have some people watch it. I had never been particularly into octopuses before I started making art, but now they've become a tried and true subject for me. Here's a quick look at a few of the octopuses that I've made in the past. I added some bling to my tentacles with gold leaf. I had painted on the drawing gum first and let that dry, and then the gold leaf sticks to anywhere I had put the gum, and then I could just brush the rest off to stick onto another spot. As far as I could figure out, the only rule for artist trading cards is that they should be 2.5 by 3.5 inches, the size of a standard trading card. And aside from that, anything goes. There wasn't much rhyme or reason for why I paired a certain tentacle with a certain background, but I did look for areas where I could have nice contrast in color and lightness versus darkness. they seemed just about done, except that they needed a little something more, and I added an edge of black and gold washi tape to each card. I put each of my cards in a little plastic folder and attached it to my sketchbook with double-sided tape. And my plan is, as I get in trades, I'll take one of my cards out, mail it to the person I am trading with, and then put theirs in the slot of my card. Here's a look at the lovely ATCs that Dee from Betsy Doodle sent to me. I'll put the information about her channel down below. Isn't this beautiful? And how fun is it to get actual mail, personal mail, in your mailbox these days? So let me know if you would like to swap with me for one of my remaining Inky Tentacles. Thanks so much for watching. Please let me know what you thought, and I hope to hear from some of you for some swaps.